I welcome students to my video lectures on signals and systems. So we were going through even and odd functions. So now there comes one technique. So there comes a term like x of minus t, x of minus n. So this is a technique. This is what is called as mirror imaging. Mirror imaging. If xt or xn is a function, is a signal, then x of minus t or x of minus n is what is called its mirror image. Mirror image. So you are supposed to be good in mirror imaging, because in next chapter when you go through convolution integral, you are supposed to do this x of minus t or x of minus 1. So you are supposed to know what is known as a mirror image. Now itself I will introduce mirror image and I will explain to you how to carry out this mirror image or create mirror image. So this mirror image is considered as one of the operation performed on T. Operation performed on T. See one thing, there is a difference. Minus xt is different from x of minus t. Don't be under the impression that they are same. Minus xt is different from x of minus t. What is x of t minus x of t? So given a signal xt, its negative is what is called as minus xt. But x of minus t is what is called as mirror image. So mirror image is different from minus of x of t. I will explain. Now I will take one waveform and I will ask you to sketch the mirror image. Okay. Now I will sketch a signal. X of t is a signal. X of t is a signal. Seconds. This is x of t. This is x of t. We have to sketch the mirror image. Mirror image means the same waveform is made to rotated like this. It is to be rotated like this. If it is rotated like this, then it is going to be called as mirror image. You imagine that this is rotated like this, and this portion should fall here. And it requires a little bit of imagination. If the waveform is complex, it requires a little bit of imagination. Now I will sketch the mirror image. You practice in the case of other problems. Now this is like this. This is what is called as x of minus t. And one thing, if you have correctly sketched the x of minus t, if you overlap this, the positive portion must exactly overlap with negative portion. That is the way you can check. If it is turned like this, this positive portion should exactly overlap with negative portion. This is what is known as mirror imaging. Mirror imaging. Next, in the case of discrete signal, and also one point I will clarify. See, x minus x of t is different from x of minus t. For example, you are given a waveform like this. This is xt. This is xt. So minus xt is different. Minus xt is xt multiplied with minus 1. For example, this is 2, this is 2. This is 2, this is minus 2. So multiplied with minus 1 means it is like this. This 2. So here it is 0. So 0 starts. Now 2. 2 gets multiplied with minus 1. That means it becomes minus 2. So minus 2 is somewhere here. Minus 2. Next, this is minus 2. Multiplied with minus 1 means it becomes plus 2. And like this. Next, this is what is called as minus x of t. Minus x of t is different from x of minus t. This is minus x of t. If I sketch x of minus t, then it is like this. Two minus 2 this is what is called as x of minus t. X of minus t. Next, in the case of discrete signals, very simple, x of minus n is equal to then x of minus n is, for example, here it is 1, 1. Mirror imaging means if you turn like this, it becomes 1 minus 3, 2. Then this one occupies position here, this one occupies this position. This is what is called as mirror image. X of minus n is called as mirror image. Now minus of x of n is different. Minus of x of n means multiplying the sequence by minus 1. That means it becomes minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 3, minus. So one point, keep it in mind, dear students, x of minus n is different from minus of x of n. So in the next class, I will continue with the third type of classification, what is known as energy signals and power signals. Thank you.